Welcome to the IVA Hustle channel. In this video, we will discuss how to make money as a freelance technical writer using Chat GPT. Why use Chat GPT? Chat GPT is an AI language model trained by OpenAI. It can be used to automate various tasks. As a freelance technical writer, you can use Chat GPT to streamline your work, save time and effort, and increase your productivity. How to make money as a freelance technical writer using Chat GPT. You start out by offering your services. You can offer your services as a freelance technical writer to businesses and individuals that require technical writing. By incorporating Chat GPT into your work process, you can provide high-quality technical writing services in less time. You can use Chat GPT to generate technical writing content, such as user manuals, technical reports, and software documentation. This can help you to streamline your work and deliver projects on time. While Chat GPT can generate technical writing content, it's important to customize the content to suit the client's specific requirements. This can help to ensure that the content is accurate, relevant, and high quality. You can offer additional services such as proofreading, editing, and formatting to increase your income as a freelance technical writer. What kind of marketing tactics can you use to find clients as a freelance technical writer? Start by building a portfolio. Build a portfolio of your work and showcase your skills and experience. This can help you to attract potential clients and demonstrate your capabilities. Use freelance platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr to find potential clients. You can create a profile and bid on projects that match your skills and experience. Use social media to promote your services and build your brand. You can use platforms such as LinkedIn and Twitter to connect with potential clients and share your portfolio. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video on how to make money as a freelance technical writer using Chat GPT. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the IVA Hustle channel for more valuable content on how to hustle and make money. We'll see you soon. Okay, that's all for this episode. If you want to learn more about how you can get your freelance